Welcome to our quick review and comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Smug Countertop Ice Maker and the Igloo Self-Cleaning Countertop Ice Maker. In this video, we'll explore their features, pricing, and performance to help you choose the right one for your home or outdoor gatherings. Let's dive in. The Smug Countertop Ice Maker is priced at $69.99, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for a reliable ice maker. In contrast, the Igloo model comes at a higher price of $94.99, which may be justified by its premium design and features. If you're looking to save money, the Smug model is the clear winner here. When it comes to speed, the Smug Countertop Ice Maker produces 9 cubes in just 6 minutes, making it one of the fastest options available. On the other hand, the Igloo model takes 7 to 8 minutes to produce 8 cubes. If quick ice production is a priority for you, the Smug model takes the lead again. The Smug Countertop Ice Maker offers versatility with 2 sizes of bullet ice, catering to different preferences for beverages. In contrast, the Igloo model produces a single cylinder-shaped ice. If you enjoy having options for your ice, the Smug model is the better choice. In conclusion, both the Smug and Igloo countertop ice makers offer great features, but they cater to different needs. The Smug model is more affordable, faster, and offers more ice size options, while the Igloo model boasts a sleek design and self-cleaning feature. Choose the one that best fits your lifestyle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.